my C peeps, welcome back to my channel. We are going to do a get ready with me in a hotel in front of a big window. Now I was gonna get ready and I thought, gosh, what great lighting that I have coming in this window. They even have like a little desk and chair. It's amazing. They were ready for me. So anyway, just kidding, they weren't. They didn't even know I was coming. But I thought, what a great opportunity to record a video, makeup video, and to show you how I love using my concealer. Basically your underpainting, so bronzer, concealer, but using it as like your foundation. That's what I'm going to share with you in today's video, and we're going to do this look right here. So if you're interested in all and you want to see how I do that, and you are interested in learning how to use concealer like that, maybe you're new to makeup, or maybe you've never tried it and you thought, I never thought about that, then go ahead and stick around, watch this video, and we're going to jump right in. All right, guys, we're going to get ready together in front of this beautiful big window in the hotel room. I thought, let me take advantage of this. They even have like a little desk and chair and everything. Maybe they know influencers stay in hotels a lot. I don't know. Anyway, but yeah, I'm gonna get started. So I'll even show you like what I travel with. So like I have this bag, it opens up, and then I have like all my stuff. I don't know if you can see. So that's how I travel. But what I wanted to share with you guys, what I want to do today is just kind of show you how I do my base with just concealer, bronzing, and covering. So that's going to be really the point of the video, and then we'll just finish getting ready. I may not talk through the whole thing. I may fast forward the end of it. I don't know. We'll see how long it takes, but I'm going to try to do this quickly. But I just thought it'd be fun to just get ready in the hotel. I got to get ready anyway, so we're going to be leaving in a couple hours. So I'm gonna get ready for the day because we may make stops on the way, and I don't want these dark circles out scaring people and, like, you know, doing all that. So, all right. So anyway, but I'm gonna pull out some of my stuff. So the first thing I'm gonna do, as always, and I apologize if it's shaking a little bit because I wish I could show you how I have this propped up. It's so funny. I think a lot of people that do this go through this. I don't have, I need to find, I was just telling my daughter, I was like, I need to find a little tripod that I could travel with. I could just pop up, you know, really quick. Or also I've seen those ones that you can like stick to the mirror or stick to a window. That would have been perfect. So, but anyway, I'm just moisturizing with my daily Shea Moisture Daily Hydration Face Lotion. This is 100% virgin coconut oil. I always try to share what I'm using. If I forget something, I'll put it in the description box below. But just in case, like, this is a first video that somebody is seeing. So I'm just going to moisturize with that just a little bit. And I'm just going to rub that in. All right, let me get that hair out the way. Okay. I know it's summertime. Y'all probably wondering. I'm in Texas. It is summertime. It is super hot. But it's cold in the hotel. So that's why I'm wearing a hoodie right now. As usual, we're always going to start out with a corrector. I have to have some corrector because my dark circles, just with time, age, not enough sleep, just all the things, and mostly genetics, I have them. So I usually go in with a peach. I used to use an orange, but I just feel like peach is so much better for me. And I go pretty heavy in with my corrector, guys. Like, if you've been around watching my makeup videos, you know I don't play when it comes to corrector. Oh man, I just realized I forgot my primer, so I'm just putting it on real quick before I start my corrector, just in the areas that I usually keep it in anyways, which is right in the T-zone, which is where my pores are at. This is the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I absolutely love it. It is one that I have used for many, many years. Now back to the corrector. So as you see, I go pretty heavy. All right, I'm just blend that in. All right, so what I usually do is the ones that I'm gonna use today are by e.l.f. It's the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. So I just get the one, you know, a lighter color that is as close to my color as possible, and then I'll get one of the darker colors to use like as a bronzer. This one is medium sand. This one is deep chestnut, I believe. It's really small, I can't read it, but I want to say it's deep chestnut. So because these give good coverage, I sculpt out my face using them. I basically place it where I would bronze or, you know, cover up with concealers. I'm going to start out first with the lighter concealer, where I would want to cover like foundation wise. So of course under the eyes, and I'm putting a lot, guys, because this is my base. This is acting like my foundation pretty much. And then I'm going to go in with the darker color on the places that I went bronze. So in here, above a little bit, in here, and then around the jawline, of course. I'm going to take it there and take some on my nose. Bring it down the point, and then around the temples, just like that. And I'm gonna go ahead and start blending. All right, so I'm gonna take my beauty blender and I'm gonna start blending, and I'm gonna start with the lighter sections first, so like right in here. And I'm just gonna blend that out, guys. Just blend it, blend it. And I'm not so careful because I have to go in and blend the darker spots. I take the more round part to go ahead and blend out the darker color. As well. You can do this. I like to use this because it is a little bit faster. You can use this, or you can also use I use the e.l.f. complexion brush, the dual end one. This one is also really great for blending out, so you can use either one. I use either one, whichever is, you know, whichever one I'm feeling like that day, or you can even do both. You can push it in with the brush and then go back in with the blender just to kind of with the beauty blender to just blend it out a little bit more. So this brush is phenomenal, guys. This is an e.l.f. brush. It's like $6 or $7, I think, I believe. I'm not sure. I'll link it. I'll put it in the description box below. But I need to have like 5 of these. It's just so good, so good, so inexpensive, so good. This is my second one. My first one lasted me a good while. They do start wearing down, of course, but I think only because I had just one, so I had to keep washing it. But it's such a phenomenal brush, and it blends out so amazing, especially cream products. Yeah, really pretty. But I'm gonna go back to my beauty blender so I can go ahead and blend out this part here. All right, and now I'm just going back over it with my blender just to make sure everything's nicely blended. And if at this point basically it's blended out like that, I could just powder with, you know, translucent powder at this point and be fine, and then go in with my rest of my makeup. Of course, I like to be extra for most of the time with my makeup, so I'm still going to go in with a powder and then a little bit of a powder bronzer just to kind of double up. But I have gone just like this. I'll go ahead and do translucent powder, finish up my makeup, and be done. I won't add any more bronzer. It'll be just fine because it's beautifully bronzed, and I have my coverage. I have everything I'm looking for. But I'm gonna go in with a little bit more concealer. It's also the e.l.f. Camo. It's just in light beige, and that's just to give a little bit of highlight. So I just literally do a dot like that. That's it. I'm going with my beauty blender and just blend that out really quick. All right, that is all blended. Like I said, that is my base. That is what I'll start with. And then I'm gonna go in with some setting powder, some loose setting powder. This is the Huda Beauty in Banana Bread, one of my most favorite powders on the universe. I absolutely love this powder. It is so good. Alrighty, and then I'm just gonna go in with my Tati Puff and just go ahead and set that. And yes, guys, I go in heavy, only because I drag the powder. Like, I take whatever is on there and I just kind of press it in because I want to set. I don't want, you know, I'm trying to set my makeup and make it last, so I just press it in with that puff and it just locks it in for me. And this is, like I said, this is the point where I could just go like this. Like, I wouldn't even need to bronze at this point. I could just add my blush, highlight, and do the rest of my makeup. And then down to my neck, I just use the brush because I don't like the puff down there. And then I'll just go ahead and just go all over my face and just press that in. Also helps like dust off any, you know, leftover loose powder. And that's basically it. That is the base for you. And like I said, I personally like to go in and add a little bit more bronzer at this point and do my blush and all of that. What I'll do is, since we've already done the base, this part of the video, I'm just gonna fast forward through it and finish up my makeup, and then we'll be back to conclude the video. concludes this video, this look. I hope you liked it. It was just a little, you know, get ready with me in a hotel room with the amazing big window with good lighting, hopefully. So yes, I just wanted to share, like I said, how I do my base. I do that more often than not, just so you know. Like, it's quick. It gives me the coverage I want. It gives me the underpainting, like the bronzing and all of that I like. And sometimes if I'm in, like I said, if I'm in a super hurry, I will just do the translucent, finish up like my blush and the rest of my makeup. You know, or if I just want it to be a little bit more heavy, a little bit more extra because of I'm just feeling that way that day, I will do it. I have no rules when it comes to makeup in regards to, it's just really how I'm feeling that day, what I'm wanting to do, and how much time I have to. Sometimes I get ready in a hurry and it does need to be quick. So anyway, just in case you're gonna ask, because I know you guys love to know the lip combo. One of the biggest questions I would get when I did makeup videos a lot before was like, what's the lip combo with on your lips? So I like to just share it because I'll leave it in the description box below as well, but I'm just gonna let you know. It is the LA Girl lip liner in Sugar and Spice, and then the Dripglass Drenched High Pigment Lip Gloss by Morphe in the color Wet Peach. So that is my, oh, I am so sorry. I forgot the most important middle piece of that. Of course, I apologize. Let me retract. So also the lipstick Tease. So it's the liner, lipstick by Milani and Tease, and then the lip gloss. And that is a lip combo. And of course, finish off the lashes with the Panorama by L'Oreal, the Panorama Voluminous Mascara. Love, love, love. This is a great drugstore mascara. Although I feel like drugstore prices have definitely gone up, of course, but it's still probably half of the price to some of the higher end mascaras out there. But it's just a wonderful, great buildable mascara. I like the way it builds up. And what does Amy say here on the topic? What do we say? Mascara always brings the look together. So I don't care how bad you think your eyeshadow came out or whatever the case is, just throw some mascara on and it always brings the look together. I'm telling you. This is why I always go for like an easy smoky eye, nothing fancy. If you're looking for a cut crease, you're probably not ever gonna find that here. That is just not my jam. So it's not anything that I'll probably ever do here. I mean, not on a normal. Maybe if we were doing something special, I was trying to recreate a look, I might try it, but on an everyday or wearing that's just not who I am. This is me. This is my jam, like full glam, but easy full glam, if that makes sense. I don't know, maybe it doesn't. In my head, it does. So, all right, guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you so much for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what you're liking these days in makeup, and yeah, be looking forward to more makeup videos coming up. I have a loose powder that I want to try, an eyeshadow palette, and a small collaboration with one of my really, 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 really good friends. So stay tuned. Like I said, click that bell so you're notified anytime I upload a video, and I will see you guys in the very next one. Bye.